A consistent layout for your book cover design can help create a cohesive design aesthetics.
Hey there, I am Kerry Watson and welcome to the AuthorSell channel.
In this video, I will discuss creating a cohesive book cover design for your series. In a moment, I will reveal a bonus tip I use, so stick around. If you're planning to write a series of books, it is essential to consider the overall design aesthetics of your book covers. A cohesive design aesthetic will help establish a brand for your series and make it easier for readers to recognize and remember your books. However, if you have created your book already and you are just now thinking about series, no worries. These tips will help you create the next set seamlessly to look cohesive. So, how can you create a cohesive book cover design for a series? Option number 1, choose a consistent color scheme. One way to create a cohesive design is to choose a consistent color scheme for the series. This can be as simple as using the same color for each book or using a limited color palette used consistently throughout the series. Option number 2, use the same font. Using the same font and typography of the title and subtitle of your book cover can also help create a cohesive design aesthetics.
If you are finding value in this video so far, show it by clicking the thumbs up. Be sure to leave a comment or a question below and subscribe to AuthorSell for more book design tips and trends.
Option number 3, use similar imagery or illustration styles. Using similar imagery or illustration styles across your book cover can help establish a visual identity for your series. If you are using illustrations, they should be the same type. For example, all line art drawings. Option number 4, consider using a consistent layout. A consistent layout for your book cover design can help create a cohesive design aesthetics. For example, you might use a consistent placement for the title and subtitle or a consistent placement for the image or illustration.
If you are in need of professional book cover design services, be sure to check out my Fiverr gig at fiverr.com/Kerry Watson. I offer a range of book design services, and I am happy and ready to help you create the book that sells. Make sure to mention this voucher number, #YT25, for a $25 discount on any of my services.
And as promised, the bonus tip. Here's my secret. One of the things I help my clients do is to split their books to reach different target audiences. Example, a book about weight loss. Weight loss for women under 30, weight loss for men under 40, weight loss for teens, etc.
Watch this next video to learn more about book cover designs, tips, and trends.